morning, kids. Today we are going to study environmental studies looking around. Our today's science topic is chapter number 16, A Busy Month. Before starting with the lesson, let us discuss the aims of the chapter. To learn the nesting habits of birds. To know about different birds. To know different types of beaks and claws of birds. Now it's time for mind mapping. When I say the word birds, what comes to your mind? Yes, they fly. They are of different types. They have feathers. Yes, they are egg-laying animals. They are of different colors. They live in nest. Now, let us begin with the chapter. Dear children, it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. There are no clouds in the sky. The sun is burning hot. The sparrows, doves, and sunbirds have started working in pairs as they prepare to make their nest. Some of the birds have already made their nest. In some of the nest, the eggs have hatched. The parent birds are busy feeding their chicks with different kinds of insects and other things. In our courtyard also, there is a baby dove. There is another egg in the nest, but it has not hatched yet. So now kids, as we know that we are going to learn about birds in this chapter. So, author is describing the scene of afternoon when the sun is on its peak and it is very hot. But different birds like sparrows, dove, and sunbirds are working very hard to make their nest, to hatch the eggs, and to in feeding their chicks. The author has also mentioned about different types of birds like sparrow, which make its nest in or around our house. Second one is dove, which make its nest among the thorns of cactus or mehendi hedge. Next one is sunbird. These are some kinds of birds that work in pairs to make their nest. On the way to Gopal Bhai's house, there are many stones along the roadside. In the space between these stones, an Indian robin had laid its eggs. Now, author is describing another word, which is Indian robin. Bachchu Bhai showed it to me. I looked through the binoculars. I saw that the nest was made on grass. On top there were soft twigs, roots, wool, hair, and cotton wool. This is how robin makes its nest. What a soft and cozy home for its chicks. The robin is not like crow. A crow's nest is made of all kinds of things, even pieces of wire and wood. So as I have told you now, author is describing about Indian robin. Indian robin lay eggs between the stones. They use soft material like twigs, roots, wool, hair, and cotton to make their nest. Author has also mentioned about crow. Crow make its nest using any kind of material like wire and wood also. I saw a baby bird in robin's nest. Crow was sitting with its beak wide open. The mouth was red from inside. In a little while, the robin flew on the nest and put something in chick's open beak, maybe a few small insects. By then, it was evening. The robin settled down its chick. So now, from this paragraph, we conclude two things. First, that birds get settled in their nest when there is dark. By evening, they set down in their nest. Second, what is the food of birds? Like wheat, rice, and yes, this paragraph tells that birds also eat small insects. You know that koel swings sweetly. Do you know that this bird does not make its own nest? It lay its eggs in crow's nest. The crow hatches them along with its own eggs. So, what we came to know about crow, as I have told you, crow make nest with all kinds of things, even wire and wood. And where do it build its nest? Yes, high upon the tree. We also learn about koel. Koel lay eggs in crow's nest. The crow hatches them with their own eggs. So, koel is very clever, right? There is a small tree nearby. It has a nest hanging from its branch. Birds are so wonderfully different. The crow builds its nest high upon the tree. The dove makes its nest among the thorns of cactus plant or mehndi hedge. The sparrow can be found in and around our own house. So I have already told you about these birds that first crow build its nest high up on the tree. And where do dove make its nest? Yes, between the thorns of cactus or mehndi hedge. Mehndi hedge is another kind of tree. Also, sparrow make its nest in or around our house. It make its nest anywhere, on top of cupboard, behind a mirror, on a ledge. Pigeons also make their nest like this. Often they make nest in older deserted buildings. So, another word we are discussing about is pigeon. Pigeon make its nest in old buildings that are not in use. The barbet or coppersmith bird can be heard in the summer with its tuk 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 call. It makes its nest in a hole in a tree trunk, and the tailor bird uses its sharp beak to stitch together two leaves on the bush. It lays its eggs in fold of leaf and it has mate. This is its nest. So, there are some more birds discussed in this paragraph. First one is pigeon. Pigeon make its nest in old and deserted buildings. Deserted means that are not in use. Barbet or coppersmith bird make its nest in hole of tree trunk. And Who is Tailor Bird? Tailor Bird make its nest by stitching two leaves. As the name states, what is the work of a tailor? Yes, tailor stitches clothes. But since it is a tailor bird, that means it makes its nest by stitching two different leaves. So, I hope, my dear kids, this much chapter is clear to you. We are going to continue with this chapter in the next part of the video. Thank you.